आङो दिनै दसे
खाते
भुटानिस भाषा लेंगुवेज माने वर्डफोरा मा मा मोननैसोबाबो नोंथांमोननो फोरोंगोन आरो ना you have to explain in Bhutanese, okay? Bhutanese or Hindi comfortable na? Anything, okay. Welcome means in Bhutanese?
Welcome means jumpa lekso.
Jumpa lekso, mane welcome. Khana kha liya means?
To shayga.
तो सही क्या क्वेश्चन टाइप हो गया ना खाना खा लिया क्या हम जाखुंबाय नामा
तो shayga.
तू सहीगा
To means khana, shayga means to had.
You are from means आप कहाँ से हो बोलने से
Nagatili ina.
नागतली
Ina.
नागतली
And when you say hi,
दूसरी जंकोलो
hi or hello, greetings. Greetings.
कहाँ से हो
Gatili ina.
गतली ना अच्छा
Gatili ina or gatili.
बॉय को क्या बोलता है और गर्ल को क्या बोलता है
Boy ko bus.
Boy
Girl
ko
ko boom.
गर्ल को
Bus boom.
वाटर को
Water ko chu.
छू हवा को
Luma.
लुमा चांद को
Sun.
हाँ
Sun yim.
निम बारिश को
Chap.
Ciao. Okay, बेखिनियानो thank you. Some words ना. ओमफ्राय रायजोफोर माखासे पेन्टिंग्स बियो देखायनो नागिरदों बिसिनियावहाय लकेशनखौबो आं खिथागोन ओमफ्रायहाय दसे सिरि खालामथ' ओमफ्रायहाय बिसिनाव इभेन कभी कभी किंग भी आता है ना इधर हाँ ओमफ्रायहाय बेखायनो बिसिनावहाय नैबे पेन्टिंग्सफोरनि प्राइसआ बेसेबां बेखौबो सोंनि आङो र' Who made this?
There's one guy. His
Okay.
name is Lendru. He made this painting.
Okay.
He wants to sell this.
Who is she?
This is the queen. These two are the same
Queen,
queen.
no? Okay.
Queen mother. He's the prince, and he's one.
Okay, prince. And this one?
He's a saint.
Okay.
Lam.
How much? This one?
This one is 2,000.
Okay, and this one?
This one is 2,500.
This one is more costly.
Yes.
Smaller one.
Yes.
Okay. China nango maybe 2,500 ne?
This is also 2,000.
Okay.
And this is 3,500.
Big one, na?
Yes.
Okay. Handmade picture. Be. Correct location of your displays?
Sorry, this place?
Yes.
It's in Gelifu, Pelritang, Khate.
Pin code and all.
Pin code.
In Bhutan, there is pin code or what? Nothing, huh?
There might be some, but we don't have them.
Okay, okay.
We can share you the live location. Or
Live location and all that?
navigation.
Name of the place is Goldfish, na?
Goldfish Resort.
Yeah, Goldfish Resort.
Goldfish Resort, na?
And what about the staying and all for night fees? Can you share?
It is under discount right now.
Okay.
So our room, we have two types of room: building deluxe standard room
Okay.
and villa cottage room.
Okay.
So the prices it ranges from 1,500 to 3,080.
All are AC room?
All are AC room.
Single
all
also
have
there?
Single, double, triple, all
Okay,
have AC. But
Without discount, how much about single bed and double bed?
okay, so our room it depends upon the occupancy.
Okay.
So if you stay single in one room without discount, in deluxe standard room, it will be 2,400.
Okay.
In villa room, it will be 3,600.
Villa will be double.
Single.
Single.
In single
And
occupancy.
what about double without discount?
with 2 occupancy.
Yes.
1 room with 2 occupancy. Villa will be 4,560, and the building room will be 3,360.
Okay. Any advance booking contact number and all?
Yes, you can check our card.
Okay. Card.
You can take our card, Goldfish Resort.
Goldfish
And
Resort.
at the back, this is my name. We
Okay.
have 2 number. This is my number, and this one is the official number. So
Okay.
you can WhatsApp in either of the number. We have WhatsApp,
Okay,
and you
okay,
can
okay.
book beforehand.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Kadinchela.
Kadinchela means?
Thank you.
Thank you only. Okay. Kadinchela. आं कार्डखौ होबाय कन्टेक्ट नाम्बारखौ होबाय नोंथांमोना कन्टेक्ट खालामनो हागोन भुटान दादगारि साइडजों जायफ्रा फैयो थाफैनो हागोन एडभान्स बुकिंबो खालामहरनो हागोन अनलाइन पेमेन्ट इज एभेलेबल
Yes.
एनि इउपिआइ ना
Google Pay, Phone Pay.
अके गुगल पे फन पे गासिबो जाजोबो एडभान्स बुकिं खालामहरनो हागोन बे हटेलाव आरो बाहेरजोंबो आं ससे देखायगोन गल्डफिश बाहेरनिफ्राय बिदि नुयो नैबे लाक्जारि हटेल मोनसे ओमफ्राय स्क्रिन दंखायो नै एलइडि स्क्रिन बैयाव सिगाङावनो नै भुटाननि राजा फैलायो बेवहाय बे आरो बुकिं खालामदो फैनोबा सोरबा सोरबा आंनि लोगोनाव